In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to choose Notifications and Status Bar. When you're ready, scroll down again and this time select Newest next to App Notification Management. To click on one of those options and sort your apps. Newest, most frequent, all apps, or off. I want to see my apps with most frequent notifications, so I have to click here. When you're ready, you can use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them back on. You can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications options over here. Last but not least, click on those three dots and select Show System Apps to manage notifications for all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!